Hello again, my favorite rental people. Leslie here with Sandhills Rentals, your vacation property manager, and we are here today at 251 Beulah Hill, right off Route 5. This is Pinehurst number 5. And you can see people putting on the green and then teeing off right here. It's phenomenal, great place, as you can see, to relax on the rocking chairs and hang out with your friends. And it sleeps 8, so plenty of space. Great for a group of 8 golfers wanting to get away for a long weekend or family get together. Always have wonderful rentals around the holidays, and it's very popular in the springtime. So there are double decks off the front and back of the property with fantastic views. And I cannot wait to take you guys upstairs and show you the view from the top. So we're going to be a little bit quiet because people are teeing off. You gotta check out this view. Right? This is why people vacation to Pinehurst. So I really hope you guys have enjoyed 251 Beulah Hill. Of course, there's so much more to see, but who wants to be inside when this is right out your door? So as always, please contact me, Leslie, with Sandhills Rentals, Vacation Property Manager. And for more information about this house and many others, please visit sandhillsvacationrentals.com. And I hope you book a vacation soon. Can't wait to see you. Bye.